Can look at the AI developer qualification. So we are in the fourth industrial revolution, and artificial intelligence is part of the movement. It's already with us everywhere. Everything is incorporating AI, whether it's your Office 365, you've got AI on your WhatsApp, on Facebook, your search engines, everything is integrated with artificial intelligence. So this course will help equip the learners to develop AI programs. As an AI developer, you are basically developing applications that are more focused into AI applications, your natural language processing, your computer vision, your machine learning. The outline of the program includes overview of artificial intelligence, introduction to mathematics and statistics, analytical thinking and problem solving. It also involves databases, data visualization, because you're also dealing with a lot of data involved from that machine learning and training of language models. It also involves computer theory and the introduction to artificial intelligence itself, so that you get a better understanding of what it's all about as a tool that we can use in this new industrial revolution. Also machine learning and deep learning, and introduction to governance, legislation, and ethics. We cannot forget the governance of it, because we need to have these technologies governed to some extent, and there are various legislations and ethical standards that we have to adhere to. So the learners will also be equipped with understanding all the boundaries related to that.